I'm Dan Dauphin, and I am the Live Production Solutions Architect here at Kiko Media. Anyone that wants to do live productions, high schools, colleges, studios, corporations, the types of solutions that I'm helping with include lighting, audio, cameras, switchers, surface controls, confidence monitors, hard drives, patch bays, everything that deals with live production. We can make sure that we put the right product into your hands or into your studio based on your budget, your needs. My favorite thing about working here at Kiko Media is the fact that we don't work for any of the manufacturers. They work for us. So therefore, no matter what the price is or what the needs are of the client, I know that there is a certain product that can fit that client's needs.